Welcome to ecgScorer presentation. ecgScorer has two main functionalities. 1. ECG quality evaluation. 2. Signal quality indices, extraction, SC at the steps for ECG quality evaluation. Step 1. Load the dataset from your files. Step 2. Enter the sampling frequency of the dataset. And optionally plot one of the signals. Step 3. Assess the quality of each ECG in the dataset. The app prompt, calculation completed. Step 4. Export the result with a file name of your choice. You are invited to select the folder to store the results. The results are exported successfully. Let's see at the steps for SQI extraction. Step 1. Load the dataset from your files. Step 2. Enter the sampling frequency of the dataset. Select the SQIs to be computed for each categories. Statistics. Frequency. QRS detectors based. And nonlinear. Step 4. We compute the selected SQIs. Step 5. Export the result with a file name of your choice. And select the folder where to save the file. The saved file has 4 sheets, one for statistics SQI, one for frequency SQI, one for nonlinear SQI, and one for QRS detectors based SQI. Thanks for watching this tutorial.